dey watch una.
Na dem the same uniform men wey dey brutalize citizens to impress other politicians. Dey protest now, say pension don drop delay. Una see life, say as dem dey shout for gratuity, but when dem dey shoot innocent protesters, dem forget say karma dey wear boots. But make I no lie, dem suppose get their money because the government mafia thieves don share their pension last year. Meanwhile, Obi don drop new gbas post, say if Nigerians give am chance, na just one term im go serve, no be the usual third-term ambition wey dey hide under second term. One term wey fit better pass 8 years of chop report. And why we dey reason this one? The real land say Tinubu don award port contracts to one company wey dey linked to Chagoury in long time padi. And so dem dey build empires while Naija dey sing like a move wey carry overhead. My people, shine your eyes. Pension thief, report salaka, the power claim. All na your vote dey encourage am. Hold your PVC like your last born. Your vote na your shield, protect am. Make una no forget to say no GMO. No allow them poison us in the name of food security. If dey hungry, yes, we know them hard.
If you no laugh, you go learn.